Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take problem on shear force and bending moment diagram. First problem is simply supported beam with a couple. Our problem statement is draw shear force and bending moment diagram for a simply supported beam subjected to a clockwise couple M at the center. So we first draw a figure to this problem. So the figure shows a simply supported beam with a clockwise couple M at the center. Let L be the length of the beam. So this diagram is called as a loading diagram, which consists of a kind of loads. And you will see that your simply supported beam is been supported by two supports. As we have already discussed, in a simply supported beam, one of the two support may be a hinge support, other may be a roller support, or the other case is at both the ends we have a roller support. So from now on, it will be a practice to consider one support as hinge support and other support as roller support for a simply supported beam in case the types of supports are not mentioned. However, a caution must be exercised. Now since in the problem it is given a clockwise couple is acting, if we put hinge support over here and roller support over here, your beam will be simply rotated about this point. So we won't have the static equilibrium of the beam. So that has to be taken care of. Now due to the applied moment, there will be reactions developed in the two supports. Let those reaction be denoted as VA and here the reaction be VB, since we take these 2 points as A and B. And let the point at which the couple is acting be C. So as we have already discussed, we first define the salient points. Salient points are points at which some force is acting or some couple is acting. So in this problem, we have been asked to find first the shear force diagram denoted as SFD. Second, the bending moment diagram denoted as BMD. So we solve the problem. Our first step of solving the problem is to find the support reactions. Now as we have already discussed in how to solve problems, support reactions could be found out by using the static equilibrium equation, since after the application of load we are considering that the beam is static. So the number of static equilibrium equations that could be used in this case, let us find out. Since the reactions will be vertical, so we can use, now since a clockwise couple is acting which may cause the beam to rotate about an axis passing through this point and perpendicular to the plane of paper or screen, we can use one of the static equilibrium equation, which is summation of all moments about any point is equal to 0. Now also, since there will be some vertical reactions, vertical forces developing, so we can use static equilibrium equation, which is summation of Fy is equal to 0. Now we can apply this to equation at any point in the beam so as to find out these two reactions. Now as we see, since we have only two unknowns and we have two static equilibrium equation, so this problem is statically determinate problem. Now let's apply the first static equilibrium equation at point A. So summation of moment at point A is equal to 0. So from point A, the couples are, now as we have already discussed in how to solve problem, for calculating summation of all moments about any point, we take clockwise couple as positive and anti-clockwise couple as negative. So clockwise couple first is your clockwise couple M acting at the center, so plus M, minus the couple formed due to the assumed vertical reaction VB and acting at a distance L from point A. So we have minus VB into L, and this is equal to 0. So upon solving this, we get the value of VB as M by L. Now as you can see, since VB is coming out to be positive, this implies that our assumed direction of force VB is right, that is, it is upward. Also, the unit will be some consistent unit. If suppose the unit of this couple M is kilonewton meter and that unit of length is in meter, so the unit of VB will be kilonewton. Now let's apply our second static equilibrium equation, which is summation of Fy is equal to 0. Now the two forces acting in this beam is, we have first VA, which is acting upward, assumed, then second is VB, and this is equal to 0. Now we have already got the value of VB, so VA comes out to be minus VB, so VA is minus M by L. Now since our support reaction VA is negative, VA is downward, and unit is again consistent unit kilonewton. So now let's draw the diagram with the values, magnitudes of the support reaction. So this is a figure of a loading diagram with the magnitude and values of the support reactions.